Hello guys, you're welcome once more to mathematics.meph. And if you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Alright, so let's look at today's question. It's on physics and on mirrors. Alright, so the question says an object is placed in front of two plane mirrors inclined at 60 degrees to each other. Determine the number of images formed. Alright, so let's get the general idea. Now, if you're standing in front of, a plane mirror, right, you are simply going to see just, your image. Alright. Now, if you look at this plane mirror, okay, let's say this same plane mirror will be able to divide it into two. Alright. So if we divide it into two, so that we have, two plane mirrors. And now this plane mirror is at an angle of what? 180 degree, because it is just having a straight line. Now, in this case, it is also 180 degree, so you are still going to see, one image. All right. But the idea is this. Since this is 180 degree, okay, we have the total degree is what? 360 degree. Okay, divide by. Okay, now this angle usually we call theta. So the number of images you're seeing is 360 divided by this minus what? We have one what? Image. So let's use this to experiment this formula in physics. Alright, so in this case we have 180 degree and we are seeing one image. So it means our n is equals what? We have 360 degree divided by what? We have 180 degree minus what? One image. Okay, so if we cancel out this, we have 2. So 2 minus 1 is still 1 image, like we can see on the board. So, but there is something about using this formula when we have the angle, okay, reduced. Let's say we have reduced this angle, so let's use the angle here, okay, is at, instead of 180 degree, it is now at, let's say, 90 degree. Okay, let's see how many images are going to be formed, inside the two plane mirrors. So we are going to put 90 here. So we have number of images is 360 degree divided by 90 degree minus what? One image. Okay. So this will cancel out. This is 4. So 4 minus 1 is what? 3 image. That's 3 images. So the idea is when this is 90 degree, okay, now this image is going to appear what? 3 times on this what? Two plane mirror. The question we have here on the board says when the angle is inclined at what? 60 degree. So how do we find the number of what? Images? Alright, so we are still going to use this formula. We have theta as what? 60 degree. So the number of image is going to be, so we have 360 degree divided by what? 60 degree minus what? 1. Okay, so the 1 usually stands for one image. So we are going to have, this cancels this, we know it's 6 times, so 6 minus 1, okay, images. So 6 minus 1 is going to give us what? 5 images. So for the two plane mirror, we are not just going to see, like we have here, if this is, inclined, the mirrors are inclined at what? 60 degree, you are going to see 5 of these what? Images. So that gives us the solution to questions like this in physics. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.